Australia, known for its stunning landscapes and vibrant cities, has long been a dream destination for many. But with a growing population and increasing demand for skilled workers, the country is facing a significant immigration challenge. How is Australia tackling this crisis? Let's dive in. Australia's immigration policies have been under the spotlight for years. With a booming economy and a high quality of life, the country has seen a surge in people wanting to call it home. However, this has led to challenges such as housing shortages, pressure on public services, and debates over social integration. The Australian government has recognized the need for action. In recent years, they've introduced a series of bold measures aimed at managing immigration more effectively. These include tightening visa regulations, prioritizing skilled migrants, and launching regional migration programs. One of the key strategies is the promotion of regional migration. By encouraging immigrants to settle in less populated areas, Australia aims to distribute the population more evenly and boost local economies. These regions are now offering special visa incentives, making them an attractive option for new migrants. Another significant shift is the focus on skilled migration. Australia is now prioritizing individuals with specific skills that are in high demand. This not only helps fill critical gaps in the workforce, but also ensures that migrants contribute positively to the economy. Of course, these measures haven't been without controversy. Critics argue that the new policies could lead to exploitation of migrants in regional areas or create barriers for families wishing to reunite. The government is working to address these concerns while maintaining its commitment to managing the immigration flow. Despite the challenges, there are many success stories. Migrants who have chosen regional Australia are thriving, contributing to their communities, and enjoying a high quality of life. These stories showcase the potential of Australia's new approach to immigration. Australia's immigration crisis is a complex issue, but with innovative policies and a focus on balanced growth, the country is taking significant steps to address it. As the world watches, Australia's approach may very well set a new standard for managing immigration in the 21st century. What do you think about Australia's immigration policies? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on global issues.